This is a great example of how a signet ring becomes a family piece of jewellery that can grow into something completely new but very wearable for everybody. My customer over Christmas discovered her dad's signet ring, which he had for a significant birthday when he was younger, and she wanted to be able to wear something like it. However, she didn't feel as though her silver jewellery and this gold ring were going to wear together very well, so she wanted to create a new version of this. To create her piece of jewellery, we utilised two different styles of signet rings to make sure we were achieving the depth of the signet ring head for the seal engraving, and also make sure that the head, the size of the ring, the width, the shoulders were all a correct fit for her and how she wanted to wear it going forwards. And what resulted was an amazing piece of jewellery that I can show you here presented in a presentation box. It is absolutely beautiful. It has an amazing level of detail, and there you can see that the engraving is in reverse, which has then been pressed into an example of the wax here, and again, look at that level of detail that you get from that.